Alright, so today we have another unboxing video, and this time, something a little bit different. Now, normally I only collect ancient pottery, but I live in a Victorian house. So to honor that, I often acquire Victorian items, and this piece in particular is kind of to lend some reminiscence of the fact that I have found some of what appears to be New England redware here, which is quite odd given that this is the state of Michigan, not New England. But I know that the family came down from Canada at some point, so they might have emigrated through New York, even though it was the 1850s, not like 1900 Ellis Island sort of dealio. But they might have emigrated through there looking for a place to settle and get a feel for things. So I decided to acquire this piece. I think it's quite lovely. I know that the original family would have loved it because they like reds. Explains why they went for New England redware. And I know that they like reds because I have a lot of their original clothing. And a lot of that clothing was red with some sort of pattern on it. And in fact, the photographs surviving of them, they're all wearing patterned clothing, even the men. And we're talking about an 1850s family, so they definitely liked aesthetics, and I really am with them there. I like aesthetically pleasing things. And this particular piece, once I figure out how to access it, should be very aesthetically pleasing to all of us. Now, New England redware is something that was a carryover from England. So we've been making it since the beginning. And they've been making it even longer in England. And this piece was described as continental Europe. However, I'm quite certain that this, time for the big reveal, is not European, but rather American, and rather late for its era, maybe 1880s. Some minor losses, it's no surprise. There's a very similar example in the Met. Almost identical, really. You know, this is actually extremely well made, a little bit better than I was expecting. The New England redware that I've dug up would be original to the 1850s period, and it tends to be extremely crumbly. While I do see a lot of losses in the bubble wrap, it appears to be in excellent shape. So just something different for once. Not my normal ancient pottery or ancient glass. And it's just going to be something to tell the guests about what the original family might have liked. Have a great day.